A day full of high hopes, everyone. Welcome to my beautiful life. So right now we're here at Santa Rosa. We're back here with my cousin Nell. I know last time you enjoyed our video here at Santa Rosa where we dined at Bird and the Bottle. So right now, since their food was really great and yummy, and we're kind of creatures of habit, we're going back there again and we're having a late brunch. So are you excited, cousin?
It's early dinner actually.
It's early dinner actually, yeah. So there was really a heavy traffic. So we're having early dinner and late lunch in one. We're almost there. Destination on the left. We're here! Yay! Early dinner! My finger is as big as her brazo. She's so thin.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, where? Oh, there. Let's run. I'm hungry. There you go. There's whole wheat Cobb salad. It has a 6-minute egg. Yum, yum, yum. And some toy box tomatoes. Some chicken and lots of avocados. And topped with some blue cheese, sesame seeds.
I haven't ordered the bone marrow, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And of course, we ordered my cousin's favorite, chicken liver mousse. Yum, yum, yum. So we're both hungry.
Hi.
Yes.
You can still talk when you start gonna taste the
Guys, wala kami katarong storya. Gutom ka, traffic mga nag-protest. Wala, dito na kaya pa sa akong vlog. And nasuko na ako. New favorite restaurant. Well, actually, I have a lot of favorite restaurants. They have ramen, butter in it, so I'm excited to taste this. There's slow smoked crispy pork belly with crispy cheddar grits and lots of ramen butter. Yum, yum, yum. Let's eat. Their whole Cobb salad. The egg's so pretty. Actually so good. Oh my gosh, the egg and the avocado all in one with the chicken tastes so good. The crispy chicken, avocado, egg, and the whole Cobb leaf together with tomatoes really taste good. They all complement each other. Oh, this place has good salads. Damn good salads. Of course, our favorite cousin, chicken liver mousse. Yum. It's love. This is love. Look at that.
from the salad. So good.
Juliet, you never have to be alone.
Alright, cousin, are you ready to taste the pork belly?
Go ahead.
Let's show them the pork belly. Pasuya sa amin. So it has pork bellies with mushroom and crispy cheddar grits, right? And ramen butter. Yum.
Oh my god, this is good.
Mamoy! Mama mga dagway, ilado na kayo din. Char! Oh my god.
Is it good?
So yummy. I love the sauce. It's not too rich or really good. Oh my gosh, I can eat this every day. Joke, diet, no pork diet. Baboy.
Ready, baboy.
She and her baboy.
Pork is life.
And the other two dishes are on their way. Should be in
Yeah, it's
Thank
really
you.
good. Try English kasi ate, no?
So good. This one. Let me see the pork.
Silang, di ka ma-taste.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Tender, right? Very tender pork. The road grilled certified Angus beef skirt steak. Yum. Look at that with lots of garlics, trumpet mushrooms, basil, and Korean chili butter. Sila yung mag-vlog. Sila ko set up sa akong camera. Di ko katarog kaon. Pero for you guys and for me, for all our happiness, go para sa bahay. And the entire you know what? You know that I don't eat pork, but the fact that I've been getting lots of pork already means this is really good. That's her favorite.
This is the last one, right?
Oh, maybe, yeah. It looks like it was the last one on the ticket. Yeah, enjoy.
Usa ka barangay ato appetite.
This is good for 4 people.
This is steak. Some trumpet mushrooms and some steak. And look, I didn't use a steak knife. The regular knife was able to cut their snake. Snake?
Everything is good here.
No joke. We wouldn't drive 3 hours again back here if it's not good. It's really good. I can eat this every day. If for free, of course. For today, my super favorite is the steak.
It's good.
Yeah, it's just perfect. I don't know how did they mix the sweetness, spiciness, saltiness all in one. It really worked out well. And of course, the pork. I love, I me, I'm a sucker for ramen.
Beef, the meat's like really fresh. Jerry's very picky. I mean, he's not a picky.
not picky.
He's not a picky eater, but he's very.
What din you guys? Tama,
No.
mag-vlogger sa ni siya.
I'm just telling you. He loves to make sure that the food is this and that.
I'm not picky, diba?
No, I'm not picky. He loves to explore different kinds of food.
Is it my birthday episode?
Well, it's Father's Day. You have a lot of kids.
Thank you. So usually when we eat out, I'm the one who finishes the salad. She finishes the pork.
Or the fried rice. Or the rice, whatever.
So there you have it. That was our late brunch and / early dinner with my cousin Nell. I hope you guys had fun. Maybe one of these days you can join us and hopefully come visit us here in San Francisco. So again guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram account. Goodbye and don't forget to love one another. Say bye, cousin.
Bye.